Hey, it's Tom again. After Dave, N9EWO, who does lots of detailed reviews, saw my kind of simple short review of this Retekess TR604, he sent me an email and pointed out that he had done a review of this and sent me the link to it, which I want to show you right now because he does more in depth in the innards and stuff like that of radio. So let's go there. So on this page contains a bunch of reviews of miscellaneous receivers, and then right here is the TR604. We'll go down to that. I just briefly will show you this, and then I'll have the link to this page, which you need to scroll down in the first comment under this video. Here it is right here. And he points out right away a mistake I made. He says it has analog display but appears to tune digitally with DSP, which makes for no drift operation. And I remember now seeing on Fran's video where she showed the back of the board, and it did have that DSP chip, so it is a digital tuner, although it operates analog. And it's down here, he says, it appears to be a DSP based design. And then he gives you a bunch of pros. Long 24-inch FM whip that both swivels and rotates. Here's some cons. So there's a low-level hum when using AC power. I didn't notice that, but maybe that was because I was just listening to strong stations. Again, I'm going to let you go to there. Now here's the internal picture. Here's the transformer for the AC to DC conversion. Here's the circuit board. Most of the components, which are not very many, are on the other side of the board, which you could see in Fran's video. And then a spoiler alert, here is his conclusion. So you might want to stop this video. The TR604 is a most useful low-cost AM/FM portable radio. So he liked it. And he says the use of the DSP makes for drift-free operation, even though the tuning arrangement, which is what I said, is not the greatest because it has that slop when you're tuning. And then he concludes and he says, don't expect a $100 set for only $30. So check this out. And also something that Dave does, he has links to other information. Here's the Retekess website. Here's Jay Allen's review. Apparently Jay Allen did a review. Here's Todderbert's review. Where's my review? I guess he hasn't gotten around to it. Yeah, right. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks, Dave, for letting me know that he had this review. Go check it out. I'll put the link in the first comment below this video. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.